and welcome back to Akshata's Recipes. For those of you who are coming to Akshata's Recipes for the first time, welcome to Akshata's Recipes. I'm Akshata and I just love cooking and love sharing my recipes with all of you. I have uploaded almost about 240 recipes as of today on my channel, so go and check it out. Well, coming to today's recipe, I'm so excited to share this new chana masala recipe that I tried out and it turned out simply finger-licking delicious. My family just loved it and I said I have to share this recipe with you. I know there are so many different types of chana masalas available out there and everybody has their own recipe and their own take. But I would ask you to please try out this recipe. It has ingredients which are just available, easily available or just around the house which we use regularly. So I hope you try out this recipe. I hope you like it. Let me know in the comments box below whether you did. So without much further ado, let's just jump straight ahead into the recipe of chana masala.
So friends, these are all our ingredients. This is 1 cup of Kabuli chana which was soaked for 5 to 6 hours and then pressure cooked in a pressure pan. This is the reserve water that is there, that is left over when you're cooking the chana. Then I have 2 onions which I have chopped, 1 tomato chopped, 3 green chillies slit, half an inch of ginger grated, this is one teaspoon of kasuri methi, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander or dhania powder, 1 tablespoon of ready-made chana masala powder, then some chaat masala, about half a teaspoon, some fresh coriander, some salt to taste, and some cooking oil. So let's begin this delicious chana masala recipe. Now I'm going to first heat some oil in a pan. I'm using about 1.5 tablespoons. Then I'm going to add my onions and we're going to fry these onions till they're nice and golden brown in color. That should take you about 1 minute and we're cooking this on a low to medium flame. So once our onions are a little bit golden brown, we are going to add the 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, now you can increase the quantity of the chili powder to maybe a half a teaspoon more if you want it more spicy. And I'm also going to be adding the coriander or the dhania powder. Now we're going to give all of this a very nice mix. Now we're going to add the chana masala powder. You can use any brand of this chana masala which is available in the market. So mix all of this very well. Now we're going to add our tomato. Again, mix everything nicely. Next goes in our 3 slit green chilies. Now I'm using the light green chilies because they're not that spicy. Give all of this a very good mix. Now in goes our grated ginger. And now we're going to add our Kabuli chana which we have cooked. Mix all of this very, very well together. Now we're going to season it with some salt. Now I've only added about 1 teaspoon of salt, but you can always use salt as per your taste. You can increase the quantity of salt or decrease it. Again, give all of this a mix. Now I'm going to add just a little bit of the reserve water because I don't want it to be too much of a gravy dish. I want it to be a semi-gravy dish or a little on the drier side. So I'm using just about 1/4 cup of the reserve. Then I'm going to cover and cook it for about a minute or so. Now we just have to crush the kasuri methi and just add the kasuri methi to the dish. This kasuri methi adds a lovely flavor to this chana masala. And also I'm going to be adding some chaat masala. Even that elevates the flavor of this dish. Again, give everything a good mix. And now we're just going to garnish it with some lovely cilantro, coriander, kothambir. And our dish is ready. So you can switch off the flame and our chana masala is ready. Now this goes very well with some puris, with some chapati, puri, or even some slices of bread or pav. It looks delicious, and believe me friends, it's really that tasty. And isn't it really simple to make? You don't have to have so many ingredients, just regular ingredients that you have in around the house. So I hope you liked today's recipe of chana masala. Do write to me in the comments box below. Do give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it, so I'll know that you like my recipes and I'll be encouraged to put on some more and more recipes for you. Please hit that red subscribe button that you see below this video. It's completely free. Become a part of Akshata's Recipes family by just hitting the red subscribe button. And don't forget to click the bell that you see below it, because then you won't miss out any of the recipes that I'll be updating on my channel. You will get a message, a notification that there is a new recipe up on Akshata's Recipes. And go and check out Akshata's Recipes. I have more than 240 recipes. Share my channel with family and friends. And I would like to thank you from the bottom of my heart for stopping at my channel and watching my videos. I'll catch you in my next video. Take care, guys. Bye.